Ladies and gentlemen, you are all invited to a celebration like no other, to His Royal Highness Momo's 15th birthday, or should I say 77th birthday, but please don't mention that. Looks like Momo has stirred from his slumber and has come to inspect the preparations for the grand festivities. He will need to go around and approve the decorations going up around the palace, beginning with the birthday banner, just delivered to the scene. However, the strings to suspend it and the images of feline companions have caught his attention. After a quick battle with the troublesome string, though it was a fleeting clash, victory belonged to the king, and looks like he has approved and the banner has found its place. Looks like the palace has added some of the other wonderful decorations, and King Momo has taken his place to direct the remaining decorations going up. As the hour of the guest's arrival draws near, Momo has left to get ready for the grand festivity. The palace, meanwhile, continues its preparations. The final touches have been added to the cake and the table is being made. Let us quickly check in on Momo, who is in his chambers getting ready for looks like he will need some more time. Ah, look, the guests have started to arrive and come bearing gifts for the king. Momo has reluctantly adorned his birthday hat and is now ready for his party. He has now taken his seat upon his throne to enjoy the remaining festivities. Now that the cake is cut, Momo has decided to investigate his cake decorations. However, the time has arrived for Momo to unwrap some of his gifts. Among the numerous gifts, one in particular has captivated his heart. Now somewhat tired from all the merrymaking, the hour of sleep has beckoned, concluding the magnificent celebration of Momo's 15th birthday. The palace extends its appreciation to all those who attended the celebration.